Every great ski day starts with one decision: the boots you trust. In this video, we'll go from painful pressure points and cold toes to dialed-in comfort, control, and confidence. Stay with me as we break down 20 of the latest 2025 ski boots from Amazon, including a few unexpected standouts that feel almost like cheating on the mountain, especially when the conditions get rough. 1. K2 Method Pro Men's Ski Boots. From park laps to side hits, the K2 Method Pro is built for freestyle skiers who want a playful boot that still feels supportive. Its roomy shell and progressive flex keep landings comfortable, while the heat-moldable Intuition liner wraps your foot for a custom feel. Grip-walk soles and a secure 3-buckle layout give you confident control on rails, jumps, and groomers, making this a fun, forgiving choice for all-day creative riding. Great for intermediate riders dialing tricks and stylish carving. 2. Tecnica Mach 1 MV120 All-mountain/high-performance men's downhill ski boot. Built for advanced skiers, the Tecnica Mach 1 MV120 delivers a powerful, precise feel for carving hard on steep groomers and chopped-up afternoon snow. Its anatomically shaped shell and CAS liner give a close, performance fit that boot fitters can easily customize. A stout 120 flex transfers energy instantly to your edges, while grip-walk soles and a medium-volume last keep things walkable and secure. It's an excellent choice for strong, aggressive all-mountain charging. Ideal for experts who hate vague, sloppy boots. 3. K2 Revolve Men's Ski Boots. The K2 Revolve is a modern freestyle boot for riders who live in the park but still rip the rest of the mountain. Its 3-piece shell gives a smooth, progressive flex for soft landings and presses, while the Intuition liner is fully heat-moldable for a dialed fit. Lightweight construction keeps your setup feeling lively underfoot. With plenty of rebound and shock absorption, it's perfect for skiers stacking laps, spins, and butters from first chair without sacrificing comfort on long days. 4. SCARPA Men's F1LT Alpine Touring Ski. Boots for backcountry and downhill skiing. Ultralight but impressively capable, the SCARPA F1LT is built for big vertical days when every gram counts. Its carbon-reinforced shell and responsive flex give you real confidence on the descent, while the generous walk mode range keeps skin tracks feeling efficient. A boa-style closure and supportive liner help lock your foot in without over-tightening buckles. Paired with tech bindings, this boot shines on long missions, steep couloirs, and fast dawn patrol fitness laps, a favorite of weight-conscious, adventurous ski tourers. 5. Tecnica Cochise 115W All-mountain, freeride, women's downhill ski boot. The Tecnica Cochise 115W is a hard-charging women's freeride boot built for skiers who split time between resort laps and backcountry lines. Its stiff flex and precise shell deliver plenty of power for big skis and fast speeds, while the T-Ride walk mechanism opens up a generous hiking range. Tech fittings and grip-walk soles add versatility. With a women's-specific liner and custom-friendly CAS components, it's ideal for strong riders chasing serious terrain from storm day trees to exposed alpine faces. 6. Rossignol Evo 70 Ski Boots for Men, Relaxed Fit. Snow Ski Boots Black. The Rossignol Evo 70 is a forgiving, relaxed fit boot made for beginners and casual skiers who value comfort first. Its soft flex lets you learn proper technique without fighting stiff plastic every turn. A wide 104mm last leaves plenty of room for wider feet, while the cushioned liner keeps toes warm and supported. Easy-to-use buckles simplify getting in and out. It's a confidence-building starter boot for mellow groomers and weekend ski trips without overwhelming new riders figuring things out. 7. Tecnica Mach BOA MV120 All-mountain sport performance, men's downhill ski boot. The Tecnica Mach BOA MV120 targets strong all-mountain skiers who want a snug, medium-volume fit with cutting-edge adjustability. Its BOA shell closure cinches the lower boot evenly, reducing hot spots while locking your foot in for razor-sharp edge control. A stout 120 flex, performance liner, and CAS shell work together for powerful response. Grip-walk soles help with traction off snow. It's a serious boot for experts who like charging fast and hard from early morning corduroy to steep technical chalky chutes. 8. Nordica Speedmachine 3 BOA 130 Men's Ski Boots. Nordica's Speedmachine 3 BOA 130 is built for expert skiers who demand maximum power and precision from their boots. A stiff 130 flex and anatomically shaped shell drive energy immediately to your edges for hard charging on steep terrain. The BOA closure fine-tunes lower foothold for race-like response, while a customizable liner and shell let boot fitters perfect the fit. With grip-walk soles and a confident, aggressive stance, this boot loves carving fast through demanding snowpacks day after day. 9. Nordica Sportmachine 3100 BOA Men's Wide Fit Ski Boots. The Nordica Sportmachine 3100 BOA is perfect for skiers with wider feet who still want real performance, not just rental boot comfort. Its high-volume shell and plush liner give your toes plenty of breathing room, while the 100 Flex delivers enough backbone for stronger intermediates and advancing riders. The BOA system wraps the lower foot smoothly to reduce hot spots and heel lift. Grip-walk soles add traction off the snow. It's a fantastic do-everything resort boot you'll enjoy all season. 10. Nordica HF 110 Men's Wide Fit Easy Entry Alpine Ski Boots. Nordica's HF 110 rethinks convenience with a unique rear entry design that lets you slide in almost hands-free. Awesome if you hate wrestling buckles in the parking lot. A supportive 110 Flex and anatomical shell still deliver strong on-snow performance for confident intermediates and advanced skiers. The single external buckle and power strap keep things locked in, while a cushioned, warm liner keeps feet happy. Grip-walk soles boost traction on icy stairs. It's the ultimate lazy man's performance boot you'll keep using for seasons. 11. Nordica HF Pro 105W Women's Wide Fit, Easy Entry, Alpine Ski Boots. The Nordica HF Pro 105W brings that easy rear entry concept to women who want serious comfort without giving up control. Its women-specific fit and cozy, supportive liner make long days on the mountain more enjoyable, while the 105 Flex offers plenty of precision for advanced riders. The external buckle system truly allows hands-free entry, ideal for skiers with mobility issues or tired backs. Grip-walk soles improve grip on snow and stairs. It's a luxury convenience boot that never feels like a compromise. 12. Nordica The Cruise 80 Men's Comfort Fit All Mountain Ski Boots. Nordica's The Cruise 80 is all about relaxed comfort for newer or occasional skiers who want their own boots instead of rentals. Its extra-wide last gives generous space for high-volume feet, reducing numbness and pressure during the day. A soft 80 Flex helps build confidence and encourages proper technique without feeling harsh. The easy entry shell makes getting in and out simple, while cushioned liners provide warmth on cold groomer sessions. It's a forgiving, comfort-first boot you'll happily reach for each season. 13. Rossignol Speed 80 HV Plus Ski Boots for Men, Relaxed Fit. The Rossignol Speed 80 HV Plus is designed for progressing skiers who need a relaxed, high-volume fit with enough support to keep improving. Its wide last comfortably accommodates broader feet, while the 80 Flex keeps the ride forgiving on groomed runs. The lightweight sensor matrix shell helps drive energy to the edges without feeling bulky, and the comfort-oriented liner keeps your toes warm. With grip-walk-compatible soles on suitable bindings, it's a solid step-up boot for riders ready to leave painful rentals behind. 14. Rossignol Women's All-Track Pro 80 All-Mountain Ski Boots. Rossignol's All-Track Pro 80W is a do-it-all boot for women who mix resort laps with short hikes to side country stashes. Its hike mode opens the cuff for a more natural stride when boot packing or walking to the car, while the 80 Flex stays friendly yet supportive on the downhill. A women-specific insulated liner focuses on warmth and all-day comfort. With a medium-volume fit and grip-walk-ready soles, it's a versatile everyday boot encouraging exploration on and off groomers all season long. 15. K2 BFC 90 Men's Ski Boots. The K2 BFC 90, built for comfort, is a top pick for skiers who want roomy, pain-free feet without completely sacrificing performance. Its high-volume shell and cush fit liner feel plush straight out of the box, while the 90 Flex supplies enough support for solid intermediates. An easy entry design and hands-free style walk mode release make getting in and out simple. Grip-walk soles help on slick resort walkways. It's an excellent everyday cruiser boot for comfort-hungry riders who still expect reliable control through every weekend. 16. K2 Recon 110 BOA Men's Ski Boots. K2's Recon 110 BOA is a modern all-mountain boot that pairs lightweight construction with a precise, micro-adjustable fit. The BOA lower shell closure wraps your foot evenly, minimizing hot spots while boosting edge control. A responsive 110 Flex suits advanced skiers who like to charge groomers, weave trees, and handle variable snow with confidence. Heat-moldable liners allow further customization, and grip-walk soles make walking around the base area less sketchy. It's a tech-forward boot delivering sharp performance across changing snow conditions. 17. K2 Method Women's Ski Boots. The K2 Method W is a freestyle-inspired women's boot designed for riders who love park laps, side hits, and playful all-mountain riding. Its three-piece shell delivers a smooth, progressive flex that softens landings and presses, while the Intuition liner can be heat-molded for a snug, supportive feel. A roomy toe box keeps your feet comfortable during long sessions. Lightweight construction keeps spins and tweaks feeling effortless. It's a great option for creative skiers who value style, comfort, and forgiving performance without pressure. 18. K2 Women's Revolver Team Snow Ski Boots. K2's Revolver Team W takes that freestyle DNA and cranks up performance for harder-charging women. With a stiffer flex and three-piece shell, it offers more support for bigger jumps, faster speeds, and rougher landings. The wrap-style Intuition liner locks your foot securely while remaining fully heat-moldable for personalization. Adjustable buckles and a power strap let you dial in response. This boot really shines under experienced park riders and all mountain rippers who want energetic, responsive feel and dependable support from first chair. 19. Del Bello Pantera 100 GW Ski Boot Men's. The Del Bello Pantera 100 GW is a highly adaptable all-mountain boot aimed at advanced skiers who like to explore the whole hill. Its adjustable last allows you to fine-tune width for either comfort or precision, and the Cabrio design provides a smooth, progressive flex. A walk mode adds range of motion for short hikes or parking lot missions, while grip walk soles boost traction. With a supportive 100 flex and custom-friendly liner, it's an excellent choice for skiers who value fit tuning and versatility beautifully. 20. Tecnica Zero G Peak Light Touring Men's Ski Boots. Tecnica's Zero G Peak is engineered for serious ski touring missions where low weight and efficient climbing are the priority. Its minimalist shell uses lightweight materials to keep each step easier, yet the boot still offers enough stiffness for confident descents on steep technical lines. Tech inserts pair with pin bindings, and the generous walk mode range maximizes stride length on skin tracks. A thermo-moldable liner refines fit and comfort over long days. It's perfect for dedicated backcountry skiers chasing distant summits everywhere. That wraps up our tour of 20 game-changing ski boots to keep you warm, locked in, and confident on every run this season. If you discovered a boot that feels like your next perfect fit, tell me which one in the comments. And if this helped dial in your setup, don't forget to hit like, share it with your ski crew, and subscribe for more gear-packed breakdowns.